Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, that food guy. So today, as you guys can see here, I have quail. This is not mini chicken or what. This is quail. Burung puyuh, okay? So I have 5 pieces of burung puyuh or quail here. For those who don't know what is a quail, so I'll be putting the picture or anything here or somewhere around here so you guys can watch it. So I have 5 pieces of quail, deep fried, and some cucumber here, white rice, and I also have asam pedas with me. So I had no place to put here, so I have left it beside me here. So I wanted to go Malaysian flavors a bit today lah. I wanted to try Malaysian flavors a bit. Without further ado, I don't want to waste any time as usual. Let's go with the asam pedas. I made it thick a bit. The asam pedas is really spicy and it's thick. You guys can see when I'm pouring it. So yep, I've not made it too watery. Alright guys, so so without wasting any time, I'm gonna start. Alright, by the way, this is the first time I'm trying quail. I have never eaten quail at all before. I have tried duck, pork, chicken, but this is the first time I'm trying quail. Right? Alright, no more talking. It tastes same as chicken, the meat. I call it mini chicken lah. Chicken Junior. Alright guys, so today is very simple and basic. So I didn't wanted to go very heavy today. But this is also considered heavy for y'all lah. But for me, it's considered very light. So this is not from any shop or anything, the item. So it's just basically I did it by myself lah. That's the thing. So I just wanted to go simple and Malaysian flavors, as I told you all before. So that's the reason I have quail and asam pedas. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. It's hard a bit to eat because all the bones are very soft, and for me it's too small. I prefer big chickens one shot rather than eating many small ones. Whoa guys, but this quail was a bit of a task for me lah. That itself was a big task for me to take off the meat and the bone separately. So whenever I bite or I took a piece of meat, there was a bone there. So it was a big task for me to take out the meat and the bone, but somehow I managed to finish it lah. But at the end, I think you guys will be able to see it, where I'll be suffering a bit because it was 5 pieces. So all 5 pieces, to take it out of the bones, it was quite a bit. It was a bit tough for me lah. That's the thing. But I managed to finish everything. Quite lazy to take all the meats out one by one. That's the thing. Other than that, it's okay lah. becoming pro. Take out all the meats. You know what? I'm gonna take out all the meats first. Then I'm gonna eat it one shot. I can't eat it a bit by a bit like this.
5 minutes later.
There is nothing in the wings here. Wings part. Only the top part there is meat, flesh. This part and this part there is nothing. It actually depends on the size of the quail. What size do you guys buy? If it's a small one, then it will be like this, no flesh in the wings and all. If it's a big one, then yes, there will be meat. 2 more quail and a bit of rice and I'm done. Some of the wings it has flesh, some of it none. Right guys, so for those of y'all who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and support me, and also leave a like and comment on what do you guys think of this video, alright? And thanks a lot. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. The last piece. Look at the bone. This part. Alright guys, that's it for today. I am done with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also do follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and share it to your friends, and hit the like button as well. Alright, if you guys have any ideas, challenges or anything for me, do comment down below, or send me or drop me a message on Instagram or Facebook. Alright, and thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video then. Alright, ciao 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 ciao.